I shall always say to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents and teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. Inter will be and prosperity. Along life, my happiness. Jai Hind. Today's international and national news is brought to you by Sandesh from Grade III Hazel. International news. China's increasing political influence at South Pacific has sparked an international response. National news. R.N. Ravi refuses to read Governor's address at Tamil Nadu Assembly says it would be constitutional travesty. Thank you. Have a wonderful Tuesday. This is Exit wishing you a bright morning with a state news that says foundation stone has been laid on 12 February for bridge across Jambana Ragu near Melaram. Sport news. Jasprit Bumrah has become first Indian pacer for number 1 in ICC Test rankings. Replaces Ashwin. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Padrinath. Brings you weather report. Maximum temperature 35 degrees Celsius and minimum temperatures 19 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Smita, today here to involve you thought. Tell me I forgot. Teach me I will remember. Involve me I will learn. I repeat. Tell me I will learn. Forgot. Teach me I will remember. Involve me I will learn. Thank you. Good morning to all. Today's word is brought to you by K. Pradyumna Reddy of Grade III Hazel. Word C's meaning to start or end. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Happy morning everyone. Happy morning dear all. This is Mokshita. A very warm wishes of National Women's to all the ladies assembled here. I am very glad to bring you all the history of the day. Today the 13th February is celebrated as National Women's Day. In tribute to Nightingale of India, Srimati Sarojini Naidu ji, who was our first woman president and a governor. Thank you. Now I invite my friend Aishwarya to amaze you with amazing facts.
Everyone, today's amazing facts about India is brought to you by Aishwarya of Grade III Hazel. Fact number 1. The name India derives from the river Indus. Fact number 2. India has the largest population in the world. Fact number 3. India is the 7th largest country in the world. Fact number 4. India has 22 recognized languages. Fact number 5. India is the second largest English speaking country in the world. Thank you. Next, my friend Atika will continue GK questions.
Happy morning everyone. I am Atika of
Happy morning to everyone. I am Atika of Grade III Hazel. Today I am here to check your general knowledge with some GK questions. Question for Grade 1. Which insect builds honeycomb? I repeat my question. Which insect builds honeycomb? Pass to grade 2. I repeat again. Which insect kills honeycomb? Pass to grade 3.
Honeybee.
Yes, your answer is right. Correct. And the answer is honeybee. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 2. Who is our current Chief Minister? I repeat my question. Who is our current Chief Minister? Pass to grade 3.
Revant Reddy.
Yes, your answer is correct. And the answer is Revant Reddy. Garu. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 3. Which female freedom fighter born on today's date? Yes, your answer is correct. And the answer is Sarojini Naidu. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 4. Sarojini Naidu is also known as
Nightingale.
Yes, your answer is correct. And the answer is Nightingale of India. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 5. Which is the fourth planet in our solar system? Mars. Yes, your answer is correct. And the answer is Mars. Let us appreciate them. Open question for all. When is Telangana Formation Day? I repeat my question. When is Telangana Formation Day?
June 2.
Yes, your answer is right. And the answer is June 2. Let us appreciate them. Thank you. Have a grateful Tuesday.
Yes, it's a great week.
My country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
National news is brought to you by Ishma from Grades Affair. National news. Union Minister Smith Irani highlights high potential and smooth tourism for tourist football investment in India. International news. Ukraine refugees face lasting exile as Russia war enters its third year. Thank you.
Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Keshwan Kumar of Grades Affair. State news. Residential property registrations in Hyderabad declined in January. Sport news. India vs England. Why a more aggressive batting approach could benefit Ravindra Jadeja and India. Thank you.
Today weather report is brought to you by Upendra of Grades Affair. Maximum temperature 30 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 20 degrees Celsius. Partly sunny. Thank you.
Is brought to you by K. Udayakaran of Graded Affair. Today that every day is a chance to be better. Once again I will repeat, every day is a chance to be better. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself I am Namit Kamal from Grades Affair. Today what is enrich, improve or enhance the quality. I will repeat again, improve or enhance the quality. Friends, please well after me. Enrich. ENRICH. Thank you.